This week we got this question from Twitter. Basically, Pedro is asking whether we can measure light pollution without any sophisticated or expensive device. The answer is actually yes, we can. And sometimes we don't even need such devices, as Oscar is explaining.
In astronomy, a very important feature of the night is its darkness. It can depend upon the moon, the stars, and also the cities around the place where you are. But you can measure it, and you can measure it without any special equipment, just counting stars inside some predetermined triangles. The more stars you see, the lower the brightness of those stars, and therefore the darker the night.
Besides this method, we can also measure light pollution with simple, let's say, devices such as our smartphones. There are plenty of apps for measuring the brightness of the sky and light pollution. And actually, one of the experiments we are conducting here in Namibia during this expedition is to measure the brightness of the sky with different smartphones, iOS and Android-based smartphones, and compare them with the measurements taken with this thing. This is a TESS, a highly sophisticated device calibrated in a laboratory for comparing the measurements from the devices, from the smartphones, to the ones taken with this one, to improve the quality of the night pollution apps. So thanks, Pedro, for your question, and for the rest of you, remember that you can submit your question using the hashtag AskLightPollution.